You guys. Okay. Not my address showing. That's wild. You guys, look. My e-clothes is here. I was so nervous that I wasn't going to get here in time. I'll put on a picture from the website what it is. But shout out to them because I ordered this and they literally were in the shipping. They were like, it's not going to be sent out before the 10th. And I was like, I need it for the 10th, please. I've been walking by faith and I was literally planning everything. My hair, my nails, my makeup around this outfit. Even though I was like, it's probably not going to get here. And then yesterday I got the confirmation that it shipped. And then it came today. They ain't got nothing on Amazon. Cause what? Shout out to them. And may you always have customers. May your business just be more successful. More people be ordering. I know I will be a return customer. I'm so excited because I was so stressed out. I was like, I have no idea what I'm gonna wear for Eid. And like, I saw this and I fell in love with it and I really wanted it. So shout out to y'all. So I said that I wanted to curl my hair, but I was practicing curling my hair, but I don't know if the curling iron that I have is conducive to me wanting to curl my hair. So I went to go to Marshall's because the other day I saw that they had a Hot Tools one, and I do have a Hot Tools one, but this is more of like a salon one, like a barrel one of these, and it just happened to be on clearance. So lucky me. I think it was just like $4 off, but. And then there's like a style that I wanted to do because I think I'm gonna install my hair today because prayer is at 10. There is no way that I'm gonna be able to do it. So they also had these rollers and clips, so I'm gonna do that. Tonight I think I'm gonna do the pore mask, and I'm thinking about oh, look at my nails. My toes literally have the same design. Springtime is the theme. But I think I'm gonna do the pore mask because like my skin is looking pretty good. I'm probably gonna put some patches on tonight, but overall the skin has come a long way from where we started. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do the pore solutions one, and then low-key I might do the chin one last, and then I don't know if I want to do the hydro mask. This is what I'm talking about actually, so I'm just do the chin one last just so we're snatched, because that also, you're supposed to keep that on for like 2 hours. Okay, so I'll be chilling, maybe fall asleep. I'm gonna do this one last, but I'm gonna do this one and then maybe I'll do the hydrating one. But yeah, Eid is tomorrow. I have a whole bunch of makeup that I'm excited to use. I know what makeup, like how I want my makeup to look. It's how I've done my makeup before. Like, I'm the mood board. So I'm really excited about that. And I have not worn makeup in like 3 to 4 weeks, give or take. I don't think I've worn makeup since I started fasting. The first time I used this mask, I actually used it wrong. Do I still not know how to use the mask? Probably. It's supposed to start bubbling. Oh, sometimes the last time I used it, it did bubble on its own, but it's supposed to start bubbles. I'm just gonna say maybe my pores aren't as bad as I think they are if it doesn't bubble. But it bubbled like a little bit like last time. It bubbled like on my problem area side. So yeah. I mean, as you can see, it's bubbling on the packaging. So is it in my face? Did I put it on wrong? Or are we seeing some bubbles? Mm. I'm gonna put some on my neck too. Even though I don't have pores on my neck, I'm just in the habit of putting face things. Do you see bubbles? I see bubbles on my hand. Did I put it on wrong again? Well, we're here, so. Directions unclear. Oh, was that bubbles? Or is that from my hand already? I don't know. Mm, maybe I'll come back if they're bubbles. Oh, right. No. False hope. Yeah, maybe I'll come back if there's bubbles. I know I'm close and personal, but I wanted to see if you guys could hear it. We got some bubbles forming over here. And like right here. I honestly expected it to be like on my nose and stuff because that's where my pores are. Oh, slowly some formation. Okay. Is it like working from like the perimeter to the. I don't know. So what did I do? I laid my wig down, washed my face first, laid my wig down, and then went to shower, and then put on lotion, and I'm just cutting the lace right now. Honestly, look at these products. The love stuff and the thing. So good. I think I'm gonna go back in with this, the love note, and just, even though it's kind of weird, but like some of this lace, just do that. And then I'll just let that sit. Oh my gosh. Why is this? That's so magical. Literally, look at this lace. This is my hair, and you can't tell me otherwise. Yeah, this is incredible. Just a little bit in the inner corner. This with the Laura Mercier. And I'm just using the shape of this to really do that. It's the African people joining in for me.